And November 5270 Golf, Meadow Creek ground, runway 23 right at Bravo for the intersection departure, taxi via Charlie Bravo.
Charlie Bravo for the 23 right at the Bravo intersection for 70 Golf.
And 70 Golf, did you say you wanted flight following or no?
Yeah, we'd like flight following to Kilo Lima Oscar Tango.
Okay, roger that. You'll have to do that in the air with Great Lakes Approach. Their frequency is going to be 119.2.
19.2, appreciate that. 70 Golf.
You bet.
Tower 5270 Golf, holding short runway 23 right at Bravo, ready to go.
And November 5270 Golf, Meadow Creek Tower, continue holding short landing traffic.
70 Golf, hold short.
35, go ahead and turn your base just past the river for me. I want to get a departure out.
Turning base just past river, Skybank 35.
Meadow Creek Tower, Skybank 47 is about 8 miles to the northwest, inbound for a full stop with Information Whiskey.
Skybank 47, Meadow Creek Tower, proceed direct to a right base 23 right.
Right base for 23 right, Skybank 47.
Sky Bronco 55, no delay down to Golf, and then you can take Golf Charlie, cross 13 to park with me.
LA Golf Charlie with you, Sky Bronco 55.
Cessna 70 Golf, runway 23 right at Bravo, you're clear for takeoff. You can make a left turn southeastbound.
23 right at Bravo, clear for takeoff, right turn on course approved, 5270 Golf.
Meadow Creek Tower, Skybank 34 is 11 miles to the southwest, inbound for full stop.
Skybank 34, Meadow Creek Tower, enter right down 123 right, report a beam.
Alright, we're clear for takeoff.
23 right, report a beam for Skybank 34.
Lights on, we're good to go. So pressure good, temperature, airspeed's alive. 55. 55 rotate.
Skybank 47, you're clear to land 23 right.
Land to the right, Skybank 47.
Skybank 34 has traffic in sight.
And 70 Golf, you can make that left turn southeastbound now.
My apologies, it was a southwestbound departure for 70 Golf. I got the traffic in sight. We'll extend out here until we're past them.
Okay, roger that. I'm going to have two Cirruses. You got both of them in sight?
A-firm.
Okay, roger that. You can just fly runway heading for now then.
Line runway heading 70 Golf.
Meadow Creek Tower, Skybank 39 is 8 miles south, inbound for a full stop.
Sky Bronco 39, Meadow Creek Tower, enter a left down 123 left, report a beam.
3 left, report a beam, Skybank 39.
Sky Bronco 35, I want you to fly runway heading for now. I'll call your crosswind.
Roger that, Skybank 35.
All right, 32, you can start bringing it into the downwind now.
Yes, Skybank 32 returning for the downwind.
And 32, you can squawk 1240.
1240, Skybank 32.
Towers want to make sure that left downwind entry 23 left was for Skybank 39.
39 affirm, 23 left downwind, left downwind for 23 left.
Down for 23 left, Skybank 39, thanks.
You bet.
Tower, Skybank 34, anyway we can get one trip in the pattern.
Sky Bronco 34, affirm, I can do that for you. Stand by and actually squawk 1242.
1242, Skybank 34, thank you very much.
All Alright, 70 Golf, that traffic is no factor for you now. Frequency change approved.
Frequency change approved, 70 Golf. Thank you.
You bet. Skybronco 45 miles from Batal, turn left heading 250, maintain 3000 till established on the localizer. Cleared for the ILS 23 right approach.
250, 3000 till established, cleared ILS 23 right, Skybronco 40.
Great Lakes departure, Sky 5270 Golf, VFR with request off Battle Creek.
Convoy 3795, Great Lakes approach, current altimeter 3001, descend and maintain 5000 on request. Aircraft calling for flight following off Battle Creek, say again.
Sky 5270 Golf, VFR with request, we're requesting flight following to Kilo Lima, Oscar Tango 4500. Yeah, long day.
Skyhawk 70 Golf, Squawk 5360.
5360, 70 Golf.
Convoy 3795, contact approach 118.65, they have your request. Skybronco 40, contact Battle Creek Tower 126.82, good night.
126.82, have a good night, Skybronco 40.
Skyhawk 70 Golf, radar contact 7 miles southwest Battle Creek Airport, Kalamazoo altimeter 3002.
3002, 70 Golf.
Skyhawk 70 Golf, contact southbound approach 118.55, good night.
118.55, 70 Golf, thank you. Southbound approach, Skyhawk 5270 Golf, 4500.
Skyhawk 5270 Golf, southbound approach, southbound altimeter 3002, advised prior to any altitude changes.
3002, and we'll let you know if we change any altitude, 70 Golf.
It's just too hard to move when you're standing right there. It's just too hard to walk away and leave it like that. Can we give it one more night, just one more night? One more night, just one more night.
Skyhawk 70 Golf, contact Chicago approach 128.2, good night.
128.2, thanks for the help, 70 Golf. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 5270 Golf, 4500.
Skyhawk 70 Golf, still with South Bend.
Sorry about that. Chicago approach, Skyhawk 5270 Golf, 4500. 5270 Golf, start approach, advise me of the weather for Lewis, midway altimeter 3002. We'll let you know when we have the weather, 70 Golf, 3002.
Broken at 5,000. Temperature 2.17. Altimeter 3003.
3003.
Chicago Romeoville Tower closed. Automated weather observation 0310. Wind 270 at 4 knots. Visibility 10 statute miles. Sky condition feeling broken at 5,000. Temperature 2.17. Altimeter 3003.
Approach 70 Golf has the Aegis at Lewis. 70 Golf, roger. Approach 70 Golf, we're going to start down. Roger. Approach 5270 Golf, like to cancel VFR flight following.
5270 Golf, pressure radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, 5270 Golf, thank you.
Southwest 1772, turn right heading 2.
We're coming up on Noki. So right now what we're doing is we're going to do a practice GPS 27. I haven't done a GPS approach in a while. And I figured that, you know what, let's do it. I'm obviously not under the hood, I'm VFR. Following all the regulations and all that. Currently vectoring ourselves for the approach. We got the airport in sight. This is a ghost town. Dang. Lewis traffic, Sky 5270 Golf is 10 miles to the east of the field on a set up for a practice GPS runway 27, straight if possible, Lewis. Man, what is with me today? I can't even make radio calls. On the way up, I was fine. On the way back, I'm just bamboozled. Our approach course is alive. I'll pilot off. Stay this heading until I'm intercepting. Pilots off before all checklists are completed. Maintain in 2,300 feet until established. All right, we got the localizer, if you want to call it that, centered up. Our LPV minimums going down to 9 at 34. There's our minimums. Glide path is alive. power back as we get the no keys. Lewis traffic, Skyhawk 5270 Golf is on 3 mile final runway 27. Lewis. Cfi-a is in a half mile. Intercept of the glide path, going back down. Cfi-a is right there on the minimums. Alright, I'm going to go visual. Slowing down, getting some flaps in. Lewis traffic, Sky 5270 Golf 1 mile final runway 27, Lewis.
Minimums.
A little high, a little slow. Push that nose. Push. There we go. 2 red, 2 white. Holding it. On the brakes, we'll get off at Charlie.